You now have the building blocks. You understand what an option is, how it's priced, what moves its value, and what erodes it. Now we put it to work. This is where strategy begins. Option strategies come in two forms, single leg and multi-leg. Let's start simple. A single leg is one contract, one position, one purpose. The covered call. You already know this one from the land analogy. The landowner held the asset and sold someone else the right to buy it. That's exactly what a covered call is. You hold a stock, you sell a call against it, you collect the premium. If the stock never reaches your strike, the contract expires worthless and you keep the premium and the stock. It's a way to hold a position you're not ready to sell yet and still get paid while you wait. Stack that on top of any dividends the stock pays, and you're being paid twice to hold something you already own. Selling a put with the intent to buy. This is the flip side. You sell a put on a stock you actually want to own at a price you're happy to pay. If it never drops to your strike, the contract expires and you keep the premium. If it does, you get assigned and buy the stock at your chosen price, effectively at a discount when you factor in the premium collected. You're not speculating, you're getting paid to wait for a price you already wanted. Buying options for volatility expansion. This is where buyers live. You buy a contract cheap when implied volatility is low with the expectation that volatility expands and pumps up the value of that option before expiry. Duration is everything here. Too short a time frame and theta is eating you alive while you wait for the move. You need enough time on the contract for volatility to expand and the price to travel. Get the duration wrong and you can be completely right about the move and still lose. That covers the single leg basics. Now let's combine them. Multi-leg strategies are two or more contracts working together. The reason you combine them is simple: control. You can define your risk, reduce your cost, target a specific outcome, or build a position that profits from more than one scenario at once. Spreads are the most common starting point. Buy one option, sell another in the same direction. You cap your maximum gain, but you also reduce your cost and your risk. You can build a spread that's long or short, depending on which side you're buying and which you're selling. The structure is straightforward once you understand that every leg you add either costs you premium or brings it in. Then there's the other side of multi-leg, combining options not for direction, but for premium. A short strangle or short straddle sells both a call and a put simultaneously, targeting the decay of both contracts as the underlying stays within a range. You're not betting on direction at all. You're betting on stillness, or at least that the price stays within your range long enough for theta to do the work. Calendar spreads take it a step further, selling a shorter dated option and buying a longer dated one on the same strike. You're arbitraging the difference in how quickly each contract decays and how IV is priced across different expiries. The near-term contract bleeds value faster. The longer dated one holds its value. The gap between them is where the edge lives. There are many ways to combine options. These are just the foundations. Some traders run a single strategy their entire career. Others layer and build positions over time as the market evolves. Neither is wrong. It just depends on your plan, your risk tolerance, and what you're trying to achieve. At the core, every option strategy, single or multi-leg, is doing one of four things: using options alongside an existing portfolio to enhance returns or add protection, going long volatility, buying cheap and waiting for it to expand, harvesting premium by selling extrinsic value and letting time do the work, or arbitraging the decay and IV structure across different expiries. Options can be a speculation tool. They can be a practical portfolio tool. They can be an income engine. What they are depends entirely on how you use them.